2025 Keystone Sprinter 3520 RDS. So this is a Keystone Sprinter. Fun fact, Sprinter was the original first trailer built by Keystone in 1996. Now the brand is still around 30 years later. The Sprinter is built in the same Goshen, Indiana plant as Montana and Montana High Country, so it has many similarities while coming in about 10 to 15,000 less than a comparable High Country. So you get the giant U-shaped kitchen. Look at all the drawers, really nice hardware, seamless countertop, huge back living room. The Sprinter's full profile, meaning that it has full height in the bedroom. It's also a wide body design, which allows for about 8% more square footage than a conventional fifth wheel. And you can see the extra roominess on this. This 3520 has a shipping weight of about 11,300 pounds, 2240 on the hitch. And the fifth wheel comes in below 40 feet at 39.5 feet long end to end, with a height of about 13 feet 4 inches. And then looked up holding tank capacities: 75 gallon fresh tank, 78 gallon gray tank, and 44 gallons for the black tank. So with the wide body design, you get not only max square footage, you also just get deeper storage. Many of the drawers in here are 22-inch full extension drawers. Couple things on the exterior: you will get a stowaway entry step, which I believe I show later in the video. That does have a larger lower step, which was one of the complaints on the competing design for the steps. Also nice and easy to keep clean. There will be a tankless water heater. On the inside, we're looking at the 16 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. Really nice sleek design. There's a flip-up countertop on this side. You'll get a 30-inch over-the-range microwave. All your control panels are here. There are separate thermostats for both air conditioners, and there is a power fan as well on a remote control. Okay, that's going to be a king bed. Nice big front closet. Behind the door, there's going to be hookups for washer and dryer. And you can see the nice headroom in this bedroom. Okay, construction-wise, the Sprinter will have the one-piece Dynaspan flooring, which many Keystone fifth wheels have. It's been a very, it's just performed very well over time. Very limited problems on them. They come in 25-foot sections, so generally there'd be one or less seams throughout the trailer. And you get a nice big fiberglass shower. I think the mirror looks cool. I like it. There's going to be screwed and glued cabinetry throughout. You see the rope lighting for 2025 models. I love the huge TV. Okay, so we'll go through a quick tour on the exterior. So this was, again, the stowaway step. You can see that bottom step's nice and big. Here's your grab handle. Aluminum wheels, 16-inch wheels and tires. There are 2 electric awnings on here. It's mostly, Sprinter will be cable slides. There is a 2-inch receiver. There will be auto level on this as well. Okay, and this is going to be your Girard tankless water heater. Here's your water system. Does have a motion detector light. And then I'll show the full pass-through storage. You see all the aluminum framing. All right, then there'll be a 30-pound propane tank on each side. Here's your auto level control and you get the upgraded road arm or pin box. You see the spare tire underneath there. There's also a front storage compartment. Nice lights built into the front cap. So there you are.